In this video, I'll demonstrate how consultants on Olympia use vision capabilities to analyze and reference images, whether shared by you or generated by them. First, we'll start a conversation with a consultant and upload an image by clicking the icon at the bottom right of the conversation window. Then, I'll ask the consultant to share their thoughts on the image. You'll see that the consultant is able to view the image and provide an accurate description. I'll follow up and get her opinion on whether the logo is suitable for my technology company. Next, I'll demonstrate how you can upload up to 4 images at a time. I'll upload multiple images and ask her to share her thoughts on what each image represents. Consultants can also analyze images generated with Olympia. I'll show this by having Beatrice generate a logo and compare it to the images I shared earlier. Lastly, I'll show you how to copy and paste images directly into the chat without the need to upload them manually. In this first example, I'll copy an image directly from the Olympia interface. Melissa will generate one for me, and I'll right-click to copy it. Then, I'll start a conversation with the consultant and simply hit paste. Next, I'll copy an image from my device and paste it into Olympia using the same method. These are just 2 examples, but this works for any image copied to your device's clipboard, like from a web page or after taking a screenshot on your device. And that concludes our video on Olympia's vision capabilities. If you have any questions or need support, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team through the link in the video description.